Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a cara espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We replaced all the gaskets from the group head, the steamer, and yeah, we just give it a good maintenance overall. So we're gonna retest it again, and unfortunately I won't be able to pull out the shot. The shot that I pulled before was really bad. As you can see, there's barely any crema in there. I was not able to tamper it properly, unfortunately. So yes, we're just gonna, and I don't have enough coffee to make another shot, unfortunately, as well. So I'm just gonna run the group head, the shower group head, as you can see. But first, let me just show you how the steamer is, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine, having excellent pressure, no leaks or anything like that, which is great. And now we're just gonna see the flow coming from the group head. As you can see, nice steady stream, working beautifully. And there you have it, cara espresso machine working once again. Sorry for not pulling up a shot of espresso. Like I said, we don't have no coffee, and yeah, so thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.